Welcome back to our channel, where we explore the world of finance and investing. In today's video, we have something special for you. We'll be diving into the exciting and ever-evolving world of cryptocurrency. Whether you're a beginner or have dabbled in crypto before, this ultimate guide will provide you with essential tips and strategies to help you navigate this fascinating market. So let's get started.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go.
Before we delve into investing, let's start with the basics. What exactly is cryptocurrency? Cryptocurrency is a digital or virtual form of currency that uses cryptography for secure transactions. It operates on a technology called blockchain, which is a decentralized and transparent ledger. Some popular cryptocurrencies include Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Litecoin. One of the most important aspects of investing in cryptocurrency is conducting thorough research. Start by understanding the technology behind different cryptocurrencies and the problems they aim to solve. Read white papers, watch educational videos, and follow reputable sources to stay updated on the latest trends and news in the crypto space. Additionally, familiarize yourself with different exchanges where you can buy and trade cryptocurrencies. Look for exchanges with a good reputation, robust security measures, and a wide selection of cryptocurrencies. Some popular exchanges include Coinbase, Binance, and Kraken. Like any investment, setting clear goals is essential when investing in cryptocurrency. Determine your investment horizon, risk tolerance, and expected returns. Are you looking for short-term gains or long-term investment opportunities? Remember, cryptocurrency markets can be volatile, so it's crucial to align your goals with your risk tolerance. Diversification is a key principle in any investment strategy, and cryptocurrency is no exception. Instead of investing all your funds into a single cryptocurrency, consider diversifying your portfolio. This strategy helps reduce risk and protects you from the volatility of any one cryptocurrency. Allocate your investments across different cryptocurrencies based on your research and risk tolerance. Dollar cost averaging is a strategy that involves regularly investing a fixed amount of money into a specific cryptocurrency, regardless of its price. This approach helps smooth out market fluctuations and reduces the impact of short-term volatility. By investing consistently over time, you can take advantage of market dips and potential long-term gains. Cryptocurrency investments come with risk, so it's crucial to implement effective risk management strategies. Set stop-loss orders to automatically sell your assets if they reach a certain price, limiting potential losses. Additionally, consider using hardware wallets or other secure storage options to protect your cryptocurrencies from hacking or theft. Emotions can be a significant factor in cryptocurrency investing. Fear and greed can cloud judgment and lead to impulsive decisions. It's important to stay level-headed and not let emotions drive your investment choices. Stick to your research and strategy and avoid making impulsive decisions based on short-term market fluctuations. The cryptocurrency market is constantly evolving, so staying up to date is crucial. Follow influential figures in the crypto space, join online communities, and participate in discussions. Be open to adapting your strategy as new information arises. This flexibility will help you navigate the dynamic nature of the crypto market. If you're still unsure or overwhelmed by the complexities of cryptocurrency investing, don't hesitate to seek professional advice. Consulting with a financial advisor or cryptocurrency expert can provide you with personalized guidance tailored to your investment goals and risk tolerance. Congratulations! You've reached the end of our ultimate guide to investing in cryptocurrency. We hope this video has provided you with valuable insights and strategies to kickstart your journey into the exciting world of cryptocurrency investing. Remember to do your research, set clear goals, and always stay informed. As always, thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go.